Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous tutorial, we added a run animation to our 2D ninja character. Today we're going to add a jump animation, a new background, and proper ground collision in Godot. First, I downloaded a jump sprite sheet from an asset package. You can find the download link in the description below. Now, drag the jump sprite sheet into your Godot project file system. Next, select your Animated Sprite 2D node. Click the Add button to create a new animation and name it Jump. Then click Add Frames and choose your jump sprite sheet. Set the horizontal and vertical values based on how many frames your sprite sheet has. Select all the frames and click Add. Now, adjust the animation speed so the jump looks smooth. Great. The jump animation is ready. Now, let's update our background. I created a new 16:9 background image for the ninja jump scene. Replace your old background sprite with the new one. Remember, background is only visual. It does not stop the player. Now we need to create real ground. Add a static body to D node. Inside it, add a CollisionShape2D. Choose a rectangle or polygon shape and resize it to match your ground or platform. If you're using multiple platforms, you can repeat this or use a tile map with collisions. Also make sure your player has a CollisionShape2D that fits the ninja. Now gravity will work and the player can land on the ground. Next, open your player script. We add gravity and jump logic. You can get my final script at the video description. When the player presses space and is on the floor, we apply jump force. While in the air, we play the jump animation. Now, test the game. The player falls with gravity, lands on the ground, jumps with space, plays jump animation in the air, switches back to idle, walk, or run when landing. If a player runs and then jumps, the jump will be farther. And that's it. You now have background, ground collision, and a working jump animation.